Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for all the car enthusiasts and DIY mechanics out there, introducing the best INNOVA scanner. If you're tired of costly trips to the mechanic and want to take control of your vehicle's health, you're in the right place. This powerful tool promises to unlock a treasure trove of diagnostics and insights, making car maintenance a breeze. Stick around as we dive into its features, benefits, and why it just might become your best automotive companion. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Number 5. INNOVA 3040RS is the ultimate OBD2 scanner for both seasoned mechanics and beginners alike. This user-friendly diagnostic tool simplifies troubleshooting, enabling anyone to easily decode engine problems without feeling overwhelmed. With 10 modes and unlimited vehicle health reports, it offers unparalleled access to essential OBD2 functions and verified repair solutions, including parts required and maintenance schedules. The standout battery/alt tester feature ensures your vehicle runs smoothly by checking if the batteries and alternators are functioning correctly, saving you time and frustration. Additionally, the live data streaming capability allows you to monitor vital metrics like RPM and oil temperature in real time, empowering you to make informed decisions about your vehicle's health. Proudly designed in the USA, the INNOVA 3040RS not only combines professional-level performance with user-friendly operation, but also comes with exceptional support from ASE-certified technicians. If you're looking for the best INNOVA scanner, this is your go-to choice. Number 4. INNOVA 5210 is the ultimate OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool designed to keep your vehicle performing at its peak and ensure your safety on the road. With features like the ability to read and erase ABS codes, live data monitoring, and battery/charging system tests, this scanner provides real-time insights into your vehicle's health. Using the Repair Solutions 2 app, you can access verified fixes and maintenance schedules, making it easier than ever to tackle automotive issues. Supporting multiple languages, English, Spanish, and French, the INNOVA 5210 is user-friendly for everyone. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this premium code reader is versatile enough for various vehicles, excluding certain newer FCA models. Enhanced with live data for accurate diagnostics, you can monitor essential parameters like RPM and oil temperature while avoiding unnecessary trips to the shop. With the backing of a California-based ASE-certified support team, you can buy with confidence, making the INNOVA 5210 the top choice for anyone searching for the best INNOVA scanner in the market. Number 3. INNOVA 1000 OBD2 Scanner Bluetooth is your ultimate automotive diagnostic companion. This user-friendly gadget allows you to understand your car's health in minutes without diving into technical jargon. With its comprehensive all-system scan, it reads and clears codes across vital systems like check engine, ABS, and SRS. Say goodbye to connectivity issues. Enjoy stable Bluetooth access with your iPhone or Android device. The free Repair Solutions 2 app offers real-time feedback and expert repair tips, all without annoying subscription fees. Plus, the INNOVA 1000 supports vehicles from 1996 to 2022, making it one of the best INNOVA scanners on the market. Export your vehicle scan results in PDF format and get assistance from American Tech Support whenever you need it. Experience professional-grade diagnostics at your fingertips and diagnose your vehicle like an expert. Number 2. INNOVA 5610 OBD2 Bidirectional Scan Tool. Elevate your vehicle maintenance with the INNOVA 5610, the ultimate diagnostic tool designed to help you understand your car's health and troubleshoot issues effectively. This exceptional OBD2 scanner stands out for its real-time solutions, allowing you to easily access live data from advanced systems such as ABS, SRS, and engine diagnostics. Enjoy professional-grade functionality with bidirectional controls that let you perform essential tests like activating the fuel pump and retracting the electronic parking brake. User-friendly and compatible with English, Spanish, and French, this tool is perfect for anyone seeking reliability and ease of use in vehicle repairs. Plus, Stay updated with free support and no subscription fees through the Repair Solutions 2 app. Don't gamble on your vehicle's performance. Drive with confidence knowing the INNOVA 5610 has your back. Experience the best INNOVA scanner for comprehensive diagnostics and take charge of your automotive repairs today. Number 1. INNOVA 5610, the ultimate solution for both OBD2 and OBD1 diagnostics. Designed for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike, this bundle comes complete with essential OBD1 adapters, allowing you to troubleshoot vehicles from 1982 to 1995 effortlessly. With the INNOVA 5610's bidirectional capabilities, you can access real-time data, fix issues quickly, and monitor advanced systems like ABS and SRS. The included OBD1 kit enables sophisticated tests, including KOEO and timing checks, ensuring you have the diagnostic power at your fingertips. Plus, enjoy seamless pairing with the Repair Solutions 2 app for wireless access to live information and solutions. No subscription fees here. With California-based, ASE-certified customer support ready to assist, you can buy and drive with confidence. Experience unmatched reliability and performance with the best INNOVA scanner on the market. In conclusion, the best INNOVA scanner is a fantastic investment for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With its wide range of features, user-friendly design, and reliability, it can simplify your vehicle diagnostics and maintenance. Make sure to choose the model that best suits your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you.